Hey everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome to my channel. So today is 4th of July and I want to say happy 4th of July to everybody, all my viewers, all my supporters. Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, weekend, and be safe. So today's video, I thought I would do a temporary color to my hair. And I watched some videos. I watched some videos online and let me make this. And I saw people using beets. And I had a couple of beets in the fridge that I thought, you know what, why don't I give this a try? How cool. And I mixed some right here with, I didn't think it made enough juice, so I added some carrots to it. So we're going to see what's going to happen to the blonde. Hopefully it'll catch some color, and it's just temporary, so it's okay. So I mix 2 beets, 2 carrots with olive oil. So it's going to be nourishing for the hair as well. Can't wait to see the end results. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I don't have any clips, which would be the best way to do it, but I do have some black elastic bands. And trying to think, how am I going to get the back? But here we go. Got some gloves so I don't get all dirty. I tried looking for Vaseline to put around here, but I guess when I get there, I don't know, I'll put some antibiotic cream or something. Some type of oil so it'll stop, so it won't stain my forehead. All right. So let's see. We'll have a shower cap. So I'm gonna wrap it all up, put in a shower cap, put on the shower cap for about, I think, 2 hours. Let me show you the back. Okay. All right. So here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. I don't know. I should have just done beets. Look at that. That looks bad. My stylist is going to kill me. Probably, if she's watching this. I thought, 4th of July, why not? Let's make this red. And now to wash this off. Okay guys, so it's been air drying for a minute and this is the result. I don't see any reds in it, any pinks in it. But it does have a different tone to it, doesn't it? I'll wait till it dries completely so I can straighten it. Show you guys what I mean. Okay guys, here's the final product. Let me turn around. I think it changed it to like a strawberry blonde maybe. So did it make it pink? Did it make it red? But some undertones, I guess. And that was a messy, messy experience. So that's it for today, guys. Happy 4th of July. May you guys have fun and be safe. Thanks to all the viewers. And if you like my videos, please remember to click like. There's something going on. I think YouTube's like deactivating or unsubscribing people. So make sure you click like on my videos and also click on notifications so you can be notified. And you can always opt out. You don't have to watch the video. It'll notify you and you can say, I think you can click watch now or play later, watch later. So you have those two options, guys. Thank you. And this is Cindy again with Easy C Productions. Until next time.